Hello everyone, this is Miss Yao here. Today I am going to share with you a challenging primary 6 question. It's one part out of 2 parts, so let's go ahead. Let's read the question first. The question says that Yasmin and Ivy went shopping together with a total of $105.50. The ratio of the amount of money Ivy spent to the amount Yasmin spent was 2/3, 2-3. The amount of money Ivy had left was $9 more than what she had spent. Yasmin had half as much money left as Ivy. How much money did Ivy have left? Now let's perhaps take some time to understand this question by breaking it down into the various information that's given to us. So first and foremost, we recognize here that there are 2 people in the word problem. There's Yasmin and there's Ivy, right? And altogether, they have a total of $105.50. Now, next, the question goes on to say that the ratio of the amount of money that Ivy spent to the amount of money that Yasmin spent was 2-3. Take note what this money was used for. It's actually spending. And the next sentence goes on to tell you that the amount of money that Ivy had left was $9 more than what she had spent. Oh, you realize that in this sentence, what they brought in is the amount of money that was left. Yasmin had half as much money left as Ivy. Okay, so all these are really quite important information as well. Question, how much money did Ivy have left? Okay. Looking at all these pieces of information, we know that Yasmin's money plus Ivy's money would add up to be $105.50. We are also given the various proportions of how the money is being spent and how much money is left. So in terms of money, it can be broken down into 2 parts. Money spent as well as money left. This is for both Yasmin and Ivy. Okay, with these thoughts in mind, let's see how we can come up with a way to solve this question. Let's zoom into the second sentence of the question, because first sentence only just tells us the total. Money adds up to $105.50. We do not know anything about the proportion. Now, from the second sentence, we are told that the ratio of the amount of money Ivy spent to Yasmin spent was 2-3. Let's draw a model based on this. So we have Ivy, 2 units. And Yasmin, 3 units. Looks like information from the second sentence is already put down. Okay, and this is the amount spent. Let's take a look at the following sentence. Amount of money that Ivy had left. That means it's not whatever we have drawn. What we have drawn already is spent, amount spent. Amount left, we have to add on to the existing model. So what Ivy had left was $9 more than what she had spent. Okay, so if Ivy had spent 2 units, okay, of money, that means what she has left would actually be 2 units and another $9. So I'm going to add 2 more units in blue and this would signify the amount that she had left. 2 units and $9. Let's check. Amount of money Ivy had left, which is what is in blue, 2 units plus $9, is indeed $9 more than the 2 units that was spent. Okay, we got it. We've got this sentence as well. Now let's take a look at the next sentence. Yasmin had half as much money left. That means whatever that I'm going to draw in the model in blue, which is what Yasmin has left, will be half compared to Ivy. Okay, so if Ivy has 2 units in blue and $9 left, half of this would mean 1 unit. Okay, so if I half the 2 units, right, I'm going to get 1 blue unit. If I'm going to half the 9, I will get $4.50. So I'll just put 4.5. Okay. Now, how I get this 4.5? Basically, I'm taking $9 and I have it. I would be given $4.50. Okay, this is the amount. As you can see in the model, I have put the amount that the both girls have spent and the amount that both girls have left. What else can I put in the model? Well, here we can now insert the total amount they had at the beginning. That's $105.50. We can bring in the question now. How much money did Ivy have left? So at the end of the day, where should I put my question mark? The amount that is left is in blue. And if we want to find the amount that Ivy had left, this is what we want to find at the end of the day. With all this information written in the model, let's go down to finding 1 unit of this model. So we can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 units. It would be $105.50. Take away $9. Take away $4.50. And that would give us $92. I'm omitting the units at this point because I will put the units down only right at the end of the question. From here, we move down to finding 1 unit. So 1 unit would be $92 divided by 8. And I will get 11.50 or 11.5. Now let's find the amount that Ivy has left. So that would be 2 units as well as an additional $9. Here, I'm going to make use of order of operations to find 2 units of 11.5. And I'm going to add the additional $9. And that would give me 32. So my solution, $32. So I hope that you understand the teaching so far and the explanations have been clear. Thank you.